Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to either enable or disable the screensaver on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. Go down and select display and touch. And now you want to go down underneath appearance, select where it says screensaver. And if you want to enable the screensaver where it says use screensaver, toggle this to the on position, it should light up blue. Otherwise, if you want to disable the screensaver, click inside of it one more time and then it'll be grayed out. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.